Tuning your engine 10J443. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage. Compressor look as well. On this side, engines look nice. All windows in a good condition, as you can see, no water. Gearbox look as well, as you can see, alright. On this side, engines look nice. Altimeter on a good conditions. Starter looking good, no broken. On the top we have computer engine with a Hornet. Plastic cover looks nice, no broken. All connectors and injectors looking good. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. And turning the engine 10J443.